Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this pretty granny flower square bag. It's a two-part video. In the first part I'll teach you how to crochet the squares, and the second part I'll show you how to join them and complete the bag. So pick up your yarn and hook. Let's get into the video. For this bag I used around 300 meters of the main color, which is off-white, and I also used white and yellow for the flowers in all the squares, and rest of the colors are randomly picked, so use whatever color you have. You will also need D hook, that is 3.25 or 3 mm, some stitch markers and yarn needle. Start the square by making a slip knot and chain 4. Now join the last chain with a slip stitch to the first chain. This will form a ring. You can also make a magic ring. Now chain 4 and single crochet in the ring. This forms a loop. You need to make 7 more loops. So totally you will have 8 chain 4 spaces or loops. Okay, this is my 7th. One more. Make a slip stitch and cut off the yarn. So this is the first round. For the next round we'll be joining next color, which is yellow. Join the next color in any chain 4 space. Make chain 3 and 2 treble crochet in the same space. Yarn over twice, insert hook into the loop, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat once again. Chain 3 and slip stitch in the same chain 4 space. Now make chain 1 and go to the next space. Make a slip stitch in the next chain 4 loop. Chain 3 2 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert hook into loop, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Make one more. Chain 3, slip stitch in the same loop or space, chain 1, go to next, slip stitch. Now repeat this around. So here I have completed the flower. Next I am going to join the new color for round 3. Join yarn in any chain 1 space and chain 4. Now make a single crochet in the next chain 1 space behind the petal. This chain 4 will lie behind the petal. Again chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 1 space behind the petal. Repeat this around. Chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Now slip stitch in the next chain 4 space. So you are using the same color, you are not changing yarn here. Slip stitch in the next chain 4 space. Now make chain 3. This will be counted as the first double crochet. Now make 2 more double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 double crochets, all in the same chain 4 space. This will form one corner of the square. This is the first corner. Next is 3 double crochets in the next chain 4 space. Now make the next corner in the second corner in the next chain 4 space, that is 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets, all in the same space. So that's the second corner. Make 3 double crochets in the next chain 4 space. We'll make a corner here. So this is the third corner. Okay, this round is completed. Next, join the new color in any chain 2 space. Chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Now 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the same chain 2 space. Skip next 3 stitches and make 3 double crochets in the next space. Again 3 double crochets in the next space after the next 3 stitches. Now work a corner in the next chain 2 space, that is 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Three double crochets in the space after the next 3 stitches. Repeat this around. For the final round, we'll be using the main color. Join the main color in the chain 2 space, 3 chains, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the chain 2 space. Now 3 double crochet in the space after next 3 stitches. Repeat this 2 more times. Then 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Repeat this around. You need to make 24 such squares with different colors. And now this is the plain square without the flower. You need to make 3 of these using the main color. Now the first round is same as you did for the flower square, where you worked 8 chain 4 spaces or loops. So the next round is slip stitch in the next space, chain 3, this will count as the first easy, 2 double crochet in the same space, chain 2, this will form the first corner, 3 double crochets in the next chain 4 space, again 3 double crochet in next space, now chain 2, this will form your second corner, and 3 DC or 3 double crochet in the next loop, again 3 double crochet in the next loop, chain 2, this is the third corner, 3 double crochet in next 2 chain 4 loops, chain 2, this is the last corner, and 3 double crochet in next loop. Join this with a slip stitch to the top of chain 3. This is round 2 and next is round 3. Chain 3. Now make 2 double crochets in the same space. Next make 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the chain 2 corner space. 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Now make 3 3 double crochets after the next 3 stitches. Now 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the next corner. Repeat this around and joining with a slip stitch at the end of round. Now make chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the same space. And 3 double crochets in the next space after 3 DCs. These rounds are the same as the flower square, but only thing is you are using the same color instead of changing colors. These 3 squares will form the bottom part of the bag. Now work 3 double crochets into the spaces after 3 stitches. Okay, this is the final round. Chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space and 3 double crochets in each of the next 3 spaces. Followed by 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the corner space. So this is the final round of the square. So that's the end. You need to make 3 of these plain squares and 24 of the flower squares. In the next part, I will show you how to join these squares and finish the bag. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.